Hey guys, this is Sierra aka Cali Curls. Welcome back to my channel. I'm jumping into this fall makeup tutorial, you guys. So first things first, I'm using NYX the NYX Pigment Primer. It goes on very smooth and just makes the colors just stay on all day. And I'm using Fenty Beauty's Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette. It's such a beautiful palette. I actually received this as a birthday gift back in June. And this is my first time diving in and digging into this palette because it was just so beautiful. I had it basically as like a display. So yeah, this is my first time using it. I'm going in with the transitioning color, that light beautiful brown right there, and then I'm just blending all that on there so there is no harsh lines. And then I always go in, see, I'm not a professional and I don't know what the hell I'm doing with makeup. I'm usually on a whim every time I do my makeup, but I always go in with a darker color right there where you see I'm applying it, just to create some dimension. It just makes the look so much better, not so flat. So I always go with a lighter transitioning color and then a darker color right underneath that. And then I am going in with the actual eyelid pigmented color. This is a dark green color, or dark blue, or a navy blue. It's a very harsh color. That's why I'm putting it on there, because I don't want to go all whack and crazy with this color. So I am applying it in that way so it can help me guide me into not going wild and applying it all over my eyelid. And in fact, I'm doing it with a brush, but with my other eye, I did it with my fingertips and it just goes on so much better. I wasn't really using the right brush for it. Now you guys can see that harsh lining is a no-go. So I'm blending that out. And in fact, I went in with my fingers to try to help blend it better because that brush was not working at all. And I ended up going in with the darker brown color because that transitioning was just too harsh, and you want it to transition from light to dark. You don't want it to just be like bam, light, bam, dark. Like, that's not appealing unless you're going for that look. But anyways, I'm going in with this bright blue shimmer color to put right on top of my lid. And it looks so beautiful, contrast to that dark navy blue color. And there, one eye's done. Bam, got the second eye done. And now I'm going in with NYX Epic Liner. Oh gosh, this part, you guys, this is my second time using eyeliner this year. I used to use eyeliner back in middle school, like not in high school, middle school, high school, I don't know. But I'm really trying to get back into doing liner, so I practice. Eyeliner can really make or break your look, but my, lines didn't come out even, oh well. Now I'm going in with NYX Emerald Cut Eyeliner. I love NYX eyeliners because they don't snag or pull on my waterline. They go on really smoothly, so that's good. Now I'm going in with Your Lashes, my favorite lash company, and I'm using Aria. So those are the lashes that I'm going to be using. But before I put on the lashes, I almost forgot. I always forget to do this part, to put on the highlight in the inner corners and then on my brow bone. And these colors are so beautiful and so pigment and went on so smoothly. They're a little chalky, powdery. I don't know how to explain it, but not bad at all. Not bad. These colors are so beautiful. Now I am going in with my Lash Glue directly on my lashes. I learned that from It's My Ray Ray, and it's been working out great for me. My lashes stay on all day when I do that, when it was opposed to when I used to put them on my lashes and then put them on, and then, they would start coming off from the end. When I do it this way, my lashes never come off. So I learned that nice little hack from It's My Ray Ray, and it's helped me out ever since. So thanks, girl. So yeah, there goes the lashes. They're on. I actually get happy after I put my lashes on because that's a challenge for me. It's very difficult for me. But here goes my eyes. This was what I mainly wanted to show you guys for this video, was my eyes. And that's how I got my eye look. I definitely went in with Fenty's Unveil lipstick, which is very harsh for me. Usually I don't wear lipstick. I usually just wear a gloss and a brown liner, if anything, to be bold. But I went in for it and I loved it. And then I went in with Fenty's Bahan Gal bronzer. I use this on a regular basis and I love it. It just gives me that natural bronzed look. And then I went in after this, I went in with the Trophy Wife highlighter. Love this one too. This is like an OG, classic OG. And that's pretty much it. After that, I set my face with the NYX setting spray. And yeah, I mainly wanted to show you guys how I got my eyes, but this is how I did like my face using other Fenty products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys want any specific looks, but I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.